low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up.
First step, I'm going to be doing the Epic Heavy Duty Compound. There's the part number on it. Then the Heavy Duty Wool Pad. It's purple. I'm going to be using the rotary on it. I have a Hercules 1 battery powered. There's another option you can do with the heavy compound. It's the heavy duty foam pad. It's gray. There's the part number. After I'm done with that one, I'm gonna use medium duty compound. There's the part number. Then we'll be using the orange pad with that one. Then to finish it up, since it's a black car, I'm gonna throw some polish at it, and then use this black foam pad. There's the part number for that one. The medium, and then the polish, I'm gonna be using the orbital on it. I'm also using the Malco's microfibers. There's the part number. Really good quality. I also have this stuff. if my car wasn't so bad, I'd just use this as kind of an all-in-one. There's the part number. It does really good. But my car's been painted before, and there's all kinds of sanding marks, and it's a 2000, so it's 24 years old. So we're going to start from the most aggressive one and work my way up. I'm also measuring the thickness of my clear coat. I got this off Amazon. It was like, I don't even remember, 40, 50 bucks. Seems to be working pretty good. Just to show you the difference, this is on my trunk lid. This side's got 108 on it. 120. 134. Then there were spots on my hood that was under 100. Let me find some. That one's 101. $97.5. So it's kind of all over the place. The hood's gonna be repainted. There's rock chips everywhere. So I'm just gonna quickly go over it. Obviously not spend too much time so I don't burn through. Front bumper I'm not gonna worry about. It needs repainted. It's pretty rough. I'm just mainly trying to make it look a little better. But I'm gonna show you all the steps on this door right here. I ain't gonna show you on the whole car. I might throw little clips in here and there, but you'll get the idea after doing one door. You can tape off all your trim. I did that on the other side, but I'm not gonna do it on this side because I'll just make sure it's all cleaned up. It's kind of in the way and a hassle. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with step one and show you guys how to do it. Okay, first thing you want to do is wash your whole car, obviously, like you saw in the beginning of the video. But after you're all nice and clean, dried off, we'll start this heavy duty, like I said. Shake it up real good, then go through putting some product on the panel. I'm sure this is probably putting little scratches on it, yes, but I'm about to buff it anyway. Okay, it's kind of a little too much, but I like a bunch of compound. So when you're doing it, make sure you stay away from your edges. So like the door handle, you don't want to keep hitting that with the edge of the pad because it could be dry and it'll burn the paint pretty quick. And the edges on the door, how it's a bump, you don't hit that more directly and cause it to wear down faster. So be careful around the edges. You could put tape on there so you don't do that. But the front of the car needs repainted anyway, so if I mess it up, I'll just repaint the door. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start on low speed, 800 RPMs. I'm gonna go through, smear it in, and make a quick pass with it on low so I don't fling it everywhere. Then I'll turn up and show you how I do it.
Push forward through the tough times. Anything worth doing is a tough. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be.
While this is on low, I'm gonna go ahead and do the hard spots, like around my door handle, around the mirror, maybe the top of the mirror. This way, it's not full speed and burn through.
I need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet.
So I did a couple passes going this way. And then I also did them going up and down. This way I make sure I get it all. So now I'm going to grab the orbital buffer and do the medium. I'll spend a little more time with it and do a little better job. I got the medium compound, as you can see in the bottle there. Then the orange foam pad and the orbital. Now I did use this on other parts of the car, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this buffing pad cleaner brush, I guess. It comes with the Malco kit. I'll just show you the box here in a minute. But I'm gonna go over it real quick with this, then put some more compound in there. You gotta make sure it's all wet so you don't have any dry spots. Then we'll bust this door out real quick. You can kind of see it renews your pad there. There ain't no thick spots. It's all nice and even. Another thing I want to mention, every time I switch steps, I grab a new rag. This way I don't have any heavy duty on the rag while I'm wiping the, we'll say polishing off and leaving new scratches. So I always like to get a new rag for each step. Step 2's done. I don't know if you can tell any difference on video or not, but there's definitely a difference in person. It kind of just looks like a mirror in the video. I do want to tell you, it does look better in video than it does in person. You're not gonna get it 100% perfect with how fast I'm doing it and with what I got. Yeah, I can't really. You see a couple of scratches. Overall, it looks 1,000 times better though. Just a real nice, deep, dark black now. You don't see any little hairline scratches. Most of those are gone. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do step 2 to the whole car. Then I'll be back to show you guys the final step, polishing. I'm gonna be using a finishing compound. Alright, the whole car's done now. That was the process. But it turned out really good. There's still a lot of little scratches everywhere, but once I spend 20 hours polishing, it's best it's gonna get. Overall, it looks pretty nice though. I'm sure just driving down the road it's gonna look great. So I'm finally done with everything. My final review on this stuff is it's overall pretty good. There's the kit. Comes with your microfibers, all your compounds, your little cleaning brush thing for your pads, and all the pads you need. Literally comes with everything except car wash. So I think it's really nice and convenient how you buy it all like that. The pads are one of the best pads I've ever used. They don't seem to be falling apart or anything. They clean out real nice and they do a good job. The compounds, the heavy duty one and the medium duty, are really good. I'm gonna say one of the best ones I've ever used. The finishing one, I felt like it dried up sometimes in areas, which I wasn't too crazy about. I'm used to using the 3M, which stays kind of oily, so you can literally do the whole car and then come back, wipe it down. But if you're doing it one panel at a time, then it's great. And with it coming in this whole kit, it's nice and convenient. So overall, it's a pretty good product. There's the part number if you guys want to order your own. That is the Malco brand. It's the Epic paint correction system. The Epic line is supposed to be one of their top brands. But I would definitely recommend it. That's pretty much what I'm in the video. I'll pull the car outside and do a quick little walk around. But if you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions, leave a comment. And if you want to see more, subscribe.
A message for eternity for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what